Have you guys noticed how impossible it is to get personal attention in today's business world? You call, you email, you call again, you never hear back. Well, let me tell you of a world where this attention does exist. This is Jeff from Early EQX. My beloved Melon Pie and I just bought our first house, and like any first-time home buyer, we had questions. Emphasis on the S, questions. A million of them. That did not seem to matter, though, with Erin Evans and her team at Coldwell Banker Prime Properties. We immediately heard back from her. No question was too big or too small. Erin took the time to find us our dream home, and she'll do the same for you. Put the use of Erin's knowledge and expertise to work for you. Whether you're in New York, Vermont, Massachusetts, or relocating to Timbuktu, contact her today. She'll find you your house. 518-649-2758. That's 518-649-2758. Erin Evans and her team at Coldwell Banker Prime Properties.